Those of ducks, I forgot that we have them. Hey, finally beautiful summer in Poland. The blueberry, what a weather. I'm in Krakow. My bike is ready. Wow. Whoa! Now I can test the wind muff when I'm driving on a bike. Now I see everywhere camp. Those are expensive. You can just park on a random parking spot and sleep. Have your own small house. I love this biking route. I don't know what it is, some kind of festival or... Let me show you hidden gem of Krakow. It's Zakrzówek. If you watch my channel, you saw this place many times. Power bank, recharging the battery, changing the place. That's the park that goes around this town. Ajajaj, Krakow. Not the worst view. So we decided to go to a club. Food market in Krakow. Flares, what is this? Love Krakow. No one cares, but my birthday is in 2 hours. Candy. That's my favorite view in the entire Krakow. Theater. It's 4 a.m. I'm 26 years old. I think I'm gonna finish this video here.